Good afternoon all. Today we are going to unbox Zealot S87. Follow me as we unbox it. This is how it looks like. Zealot S87. Follow me as we unbox it. I've already removed the nylon. It comes with nylon. I've already done that. We are going to remove it, see how the speaker is like. Unboxing Zealot S87. This is the cable, the accessories, the charging cable, and the auxiliary cable, and the manual. This is it. Auxiliary, the charging cable, and the manual set aside. This is the belt, the rope that comes with it. You can easily hang it on your neck, the carrier. This rope makes it easy. And move it anywhere, to the club, to the party, to the beach, and use it and play outside with your friends, right? Then this is the main speaker. Oh God, I don't want this speaker to fall out too. So this is the main speaker itself. This is the speaker. Zealot S87. S87. This is it. This is how it look like. So we are going to on it. We are going to on it so that you will see how it is. This is it. There is light, RGB light on the both speakers. RGB light on the both speakers. Then there is light on the buttons. Here is the on button, the equalizer. To connect it to another of this speaker, we press here. Then this is the mode, the pause, the plus and minus, meaning volume increase and decrease. So this is how it looks like.